In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get the best Skims discount promo codes in 2024. This is pretty simple, so let's jump right into it. First of all, open your web browser and search for Skims discount promo codes. Right here, select this website, which is called couponfollow.com, and open it. And as you can see right here, we have a list with different type of promo codes that we can use. For example, if I want to get this one with 50% off my next order, all I have to do is show coupon code right here, and this is the discount code that I can copy and apply on my next purchase in order to get the discount. Also, going back to our main search, we also have this website which is called simplycode.com. And if I'm going to open it right here, as you can see, I have some other deals and discount codes. For example, if I want to get this discount with 5% off, all I have to do is select copy code right here. And this is the discount code that I can copy right here and apply on my next purchase in order to get a discount. So this is all for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you did, don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.